everyone, it's me Patrice. I am back with another video and I recorded this look. I recorded this makeup look along with this hair tutorial. Refer to part 2 of this video if you want to see how I created this hair ensemble, and continue watching if you want to see how I created this makeup look. I started my brows already and all I used was the ColourPop in Banging Brunette, and I'm just going to start on the eyes. So what I'm going to use today is Raye's palette. This is what it looks like. Opening it up, these are the colors that are inside. I've already tested some of them out and did some swatches and put it on my Instagram. I'm also going to use her brushes. With her collaboration, she came up with 9 brushes, and it says BH Cosmetics on one side, and on the other side it says itsmyRayeRaye, and it has the number on it, and the number on the box also says the function of the brush, so it has the different numbers and the different functions of what you should use it for or what you could use it for. But of course with makeup you can play around and use things for different things. Going with Spice, which is this one, and I'm going to pat that all over my lid. And then I'm gonna go in with Sunset, which is this one right here, and I'm gonna place that on top of Spice. I'm gonna take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to conceal right here. And this is my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I am just going to apply that directly to my lower lid, trying to create a blank slate for my next color that I'm going to place on top. So let that dry for a little while, and then I'm going to place my next color on top. So then I'm going to follow up with the number 9, which is the smudge liner brush, but I'm going to use that because the bristles are a little bit thinner, a little bit flatter, so it'll be easier to get on top of what I concealed. I'm going to go ahead and use Allison, which is this shade. And then what I'm going to do is go on in with her number 7 brush, which is her smudge shadow brush, and I'm going to take the shade Connie and then apply that on the corners. And I'm going to take my black liquid liner. This is e.l.f. liner in the shade black, just as black on it. And I'm going to apply some wings. Now that I have my wing pretty thick, what I'm going to do to straighten and sharpen that up is take whatever was left on my brush when I concealed my lid and just sharpen that up like so. And then I'm just going to buff this out a little bit. Then I'm going to take my blue Ruby Kisses liquid liner and I'm going to place some liner above the black liner. Then I'm going to take Raye's number 8, which is her large shadow brush. Then I'm going to take the shade Angel, apply it to the tear duct. Then I'm going to take Raye's number 5, which is her dual blending and highlighting brush. You can use this to blend, and you can also use this to apply highlight. So what I'm going to do is just blend out what I've done trying to make everything look pretty seamless. And then I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics Bliss Lash Mascara and I'm going to apply some mascara. So now that I have my lashes on and I highlighted and contoured off camera, I'm gonna go back to my eyes and I'm going to take number 7 again, which is the smudge shadow brush, and I'm gonna go back in with Connie and I'm going to apply that to my lash line. Now what I'm going to do is take my Bliss Lash Mascara by BH Cosmetics again, and I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lash line. So now that my eyes are complete, I had some moisturizer on my lips, so I'm going to just take a napkin and wipe that off. So I'm going to dip into ColourPop's Kapow, and this is their matte liquid lipstick, and I'm just going to apply that to my lips. And then I'm going to take this glazed liquid lip paint and I'm going to apply that on top. And then to tone down my lips a little bit, I'm going to take a napkin and just dab into it. Now I'm going to highlight my face and I'm going to use e.l.f.'s Sun Kiss, and I'm just going to apply that to the high points of my cheekbones. I don't know why, but I really feel like I want to add blue to my lip, so I'm gonna go back to my lips and I'm going to add this She Liquid Velvet in the shade Maybe Blue. And I'm gonna add some blue to my lips. And then I'm just gonna spray my face with some e.l.f. Mist and Set. And now I kind of want to add some faux freckles. So I'm going to take this LA Girl eyeliner in the shade Brown and I'm just gonna put some dots on my face. And there you have it. Bam, that pretty much completes this look. And a little surprise, I am doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway to win Raye's palette. I'll give the description on how to enter this giveaway on Instagram. So if you want to enter the giveaway and win you Raye's palette, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Patrice.Elyse and also subscribe to this channel. And on my Instagram will be the directions on how to win this giveaway. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope I see you guys soon in my next video.